Let O denote the origin, and let A and B be the x-axis and y-axis intercepts of y equals minus 2x plus c. Part 3. If the midpoint M of AB is such that OM is equal to 2 root 5, find the value of C. To find the value of C, it's a good idea to start by sketching the graph of y equals minus 2x plus c. So the line is going to look something like this. To find the y-intercept, we let x is equal to 0. So y is going to be minus 2 times 0 plus c, which is just c. So this coordinate is going to be 0, c. To find the x-intercept, we let y is equal to 0. So that's going to be 0 is equal to minus 2x plus c, which means 2x is equal to c. Solving for x, we're going to get c on 2. So our x-intercept is going to have the coordinate c on 2 and 0. We're told that M is the midpoint of AB. So if this is origin, this is our A, this is B, then the midpoint AB is here somewhere, and then that's going to be the point M. What we need to do now is to find the coordinates of the midpoint. To find the coordinates of the midpoint, we use the midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 on 2 and y1 plus y2 on 2. Looking at our coordinates, we can say that if this is x1, this is y1, and we can let this be x2 and this y2. So our midpoint is going to have the coordinates x1 plus x2, which is 0, plus c on 2 on 2, and y1 plus y2, which is c plus 0 on 2. And if you simplify this, you're going to get c on 4 and c on 2. So the coordinates of the point M is c on 4 and c on 2. The length of OM is 2 root 5. So this is 2 root 5. And now that we have the coordinates of M, we know that this is going to be c on 4 and the height is going to be c on 2. So using Pythagoras' theorem, we can set up an equation with c. So we can say that the length OM is going to be the square root of c on 4 squared plus c on 2 squared. And we know that OM is 2 root 5, so that's going to be the square root of c squared on 16 plus c squared on 4. So this is going to be 2 root 5 is equal to the square root. Now if you combine the fractions together, you're going to get 5c squared on 16. If we square both sides, we're going to get 2 root 5 squared is equal to 5c squared on 16. 2 root 5 squared is going to be 20. And that's going to be 5c squared on 16. If we multiply both sides by 16, we're going to get 320 is equal to 5c squared. And if we divide by 5, then c squared is going to be 64. solving for c, we're going to get c is equal to plus or minus 8. But c has to be larger than 0 because our coordinate is larger than 0. So therefore, the value of c has to be 8.